Hello YouTube. Today I'm having my air horn installed on my 94 Kawaski Ninja. I am at Pure Auto Custom Restyling. So if you ever need any installations, contact my friend Justin at Pure Auto Custom at 407-637-2990. This is my old factory horn. It's very cheap sounding, which today we'll be getting replaced for a Wolo air horn. But right now he is installing an air horn. He's running a wire from the battery straight to where the old horn is located. What exactly are you doing, Just?
Just getting the wiring all routed here so that way it stays out of the way.
And now it has to go into the battery. And now the air horn, it doesn't affect the battery at all, right?
Right. All it's going to do is when you give the signal, when you hit the horn button, it's going to give signal to the relay, which is just going to cause it to 12 volts instead of 6 or 9 or whatever the other horn will draw. For the horn signal and then outputs to the horn.
These two inputs.
No, it's just
Who made this part? Get out of here. Who made that? Gone already. Already out of there. Is it loud?
Oh yeah. That's what we're gonna show. It's loud. You're on YouTube. Ladies and gents, that's the perfect place and the only place to actually put the air horn. And of course you see the Badboy symbol, which I will be painting over at a later date.
How are you gonna lose the Jamaican Tesla?
You had it left.
We brought it back in here from the car. Yeah. The Rasta light.
Now you just zip tying everything all in.
They're tight by the bolt. Doesn't hurt you.
You use the same bolt or?
Factory horn bolt.
And that helps you find what's the negative and the negative and the positive, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I want them hearing me coming.
There was some
Okay. And that is a loud ass alarm.